You're viewing a presentation from B-Roll Media and Arts Incorporated, a Maryland State 501c3 nonprofit organization. What does it take to prepare a child for the future? As a parent, educator, and adult, you appreciate that it takes key elements to prepare a child for their future. Those elements are desire, a strategy, a team, and a collaborative relationship. However, it takes the proper mix of these elements, backed by an organization which makes improving a child's life a priority. That's where B-Roll Media and Arts Incorporated comes in. We are the organization that contains the desire, strategy, teamwork, and partnerships to pave a path for a successful future. A solution has been created. In 2012, we became an official nonprofit organization with the purpose of preparing our youth for a more rewarding future, using media and fine arts to reach out and engage them. Our outreach comes in the form of programs in media arts, dance, visual arts, photography, sound production, engineering, and film studies. Our audience is critical. We know who we want to target with our programs because they need the most attention. We are here to serve underprivileged and underserved youth, children with learning disabilities, and students who are in transitional service. And as you may know, our organization is designed to effectively engage with these students, especially those with learning disabilities or IEPs. We understand that they require more interactive and thought-provoking activities to rev them up for learning, growing, and achieving. Our curriculum supports that. Our goals are clear. Training is essential in developing a clear path to employability, sustainability, and the feeling of accomplishment. Our mission is set. We've got to give each child a chance for a wholesome learning experience, a rewarding career, and an opportunity to contribute to success. Our purpose is strong. We've established core requirements for our organization. We must educate and inspire so that we can transition our students into a prosperous life. Our team is qualified. B-Roll Media and Arts is run by leaders from proven and reputable backgrounds in media, education, business, and outreach. We have a team of teachers, professionals, and entrepreneurs to lead our attendees in the right direction. Our leader is driven. A strong team is nothing without a strong leader. B-Roll Media and Arts was created by someone with a passion for learning and growth, media and fine arts. And most importantly, our leader knows from experience what it takes to reach a child who lacks confidence and skill. He was once one of those children, and he has made it his mission to show students life can be rewarding and challenges can be overcome. We want to create opportunities. B-Roll Media is not a substitute for an education in the school system. Instead, it's a complement to an education in the school system. Both organizations have a goal to educate and prepare the youth, so naturally, schools and B-roll media are a great team. But we need your assistance. Strategic partnerships are essential. We want to work with you and any other organization who appreciates the hard work and dedication it will take to reach these children and impact their lives. We want to provide our hard work and dedication for free to children and their parents. No child should be turned away because of their inability to pay. What we need from you is moral support, for you to spread the word, keep in contact with us, and contribute. We have so many ways for you to get involved and make a difference. Show us your commitment, and we'll show you a child that takes a step in the right direction. A plan has been created. Where do you fit in? Connect with us. You viewed the presentation and you've been called to action. Now it's time to include yourself in the plan to improve a child's future. Thank you.